Yo guys, what's up? How you doing? I'm doing good, you doing good? Because I'm doing good, everybody's doing good, so that's pretty cool. Anyways guys, this video is going to be about taking this custom water cooling loop apart. And if you guys haven't watched my previous video, this is the Enthoo Evolve mod that I did, so I'll put the link right here. And why would you want to take a custom water cooling loop apart? Maybe because you want to upgrade your motherboard, your CPU, or your GPU if it's water cooled like this. Oh, and by the way guys, this might not be the best way. This is how I normally do it. And if you guys have any suggestions or like tips for me, that'll be great. Put it down in the comments below. Let's get started guys. So these are the things that I normally use when taking the custom water cooling loop apart. So we have some stop plugs. They're very useful at some time. This power supply jumper, so I can run the pump. Also we have some flexible tube here with a G-quarter fitting. So this is just like a normal EKWB fitting. And also like, you know, the usual stuff like a screwdriver and also like a bottle of water just to catch the water. So first things first, you have to take out whatever you can take out. So for example, the power supply, your hard disks, RAM, and maybe your graphics card if it's not water cooled. Basically just remove whatever you can. So I'm just gonna remove all these cables too. If you notice that like in the custom water cooling loop, I have a valve right here. Most valves can be like technically anywhere. They say that a valve should be like at the very lowest point of your custom loop. It's kind of true, but like in the end you still have to do like a lot of tilting because water can get trapped in the radiator or it can get trapped in like, you know, these kind of areas. If your valve was here, it doesn't matter. It's there because you can always flip the case this way, right? Okay, so this is where the flexible tube comes in. I'm just gonna simply just screw this in. Don't forget the water bottle so that we can catch all the water. Then don't forget to open the cap of the reservoir. Or if you don't have a cap, you might have like a G-quarter plug on top, but in my case, I have a cap. This so we can let the air come in and water can be replaced. All right, once we're ready, we'll just open the valve. There you go. Nice and orange. So it's kind of obvious that we still have orange water within the system. But I'm not gonna start tilting this yet because I'm gonna add more distilled water into this so I can flush out the color of the orange until it's nice and clear. Then I'll start tilting. So this might take a while. Also, what's gonna be behind the scene is this jumper right here. So we can start the power supply. And the pump connects to the power supply. And of course, don't forget to fill up the water like so. Then we switch it on. Now you can open the valve, but make sure don't let the water go down all the way because we don't want the pump to run dry, right? And then if you're fast enough, actually, you can do this at the same time, filling it up, or you can do it simultaneously like this. Okay guys, so now it looks nice and clear and it's time to take the water out. Back to square one. Okay, so as you notice that water is still in these tubes. So my aim is that I'm going to get this block of water and this block of water into the reservoir by just tilting it this way. And also make sure to close the valve and the cap. Shake it a bit. As you can see, water is coming into the reservoir. Why am I holding it? As you can see here, water's in the reservoir, and now we can just flip it back and do the same thing. Oh, quick update guys. As you can see here, the water's still kind of orange. I'm assuming it's from the radiator. We'll have to clean that with some vinegar as well, which I'll do that in a minute. Okay, so as you can see, there's still water here because it probably came from the GPU. Maybe from the radiator, so we'll do exactly the same. We'll flip this again, yeah? We'll do some little bit of tilting. Okay, so my goal is to get the graphics card out first, and as you can see here, there's no water here, but then there's water stuck over here, and there's no water here. So what I'm gonna do is that I am going to remove this. Let's do it right now actually. Oh, kind of wet, that's fine, no worries. And then put a stop plug here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Oh, I can do it. Okay, and then this one out. Okay, we got it. Should have kept this on because we are going to put the flexible tube in here. And there you go. Then I take this one out. I got a better idea. We should take this one out instead. Come out, you. I think I'm just gonna take the tube out. It's a lot easier. Okay, there's a little bit of water in there, so I think we should put some paper. Just like that. Alright, and then move it away. Take this out. The graphics card is now 100% safe. Safe from water. Let's take it out. Safe from water. So yeah, not bad, right? It's like nearly 100% dry, although there's like tiny little bit of drops left. But I think we did a good job on that. Okay, and then we remove this one. Yep, okay. Then let's put a stop plug on the radiator so that we can keep the water in. As you can see, we can remove this one here because there's no water here. But however, we have to be quite careful with this one because there's water coming towards the CPU. All right, I'm just gonna be really honest here. I'm just gonna do something really dodgy. So, 1, 2, 3. There you go. At least the CPU is kind of safe now. We can take it out. Oh, I nearly forgot. We're supposed to put a stop plug here because I'm pretty sure there's still water in the radiator, just in case. Okay, now we know the CPU does not have that much water in there, but just to be safe than sorry, put tissues underneath and then we can just simply twist it out. There you go. I should just take this out first. Take this tube out. All right. Alright guys. And last but not least, just for the sake of completeness, let's take the CPU out. Finally, we're done guys, we're done. We're so done. So hopefully you've learned something from this video because one thing that you definitely learned is you gotta be patient with this because if water gets on your PC hardware, it's gotta suck real bad. And two, having the stop plugs was quite useful, right? But yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Press the like button and also hit the subscribe button because I'm gonna be working on the Maker 5T by Cooler Master and the R6 by Fractal Design. So catch you guys in the next video. Later. You're still watching, right? Just a small announcement. Thank you very much. We've reached over 10,000 subscribers and I really appreciate everybody subscribed and following me. This is like probably one of the best things I've ever done. It's just like from a hobby to something. It's great. Thank you very much. I really appreciate everybody, especially those nice comments as well. Also, I recently went to Hong Kong, and if you guys interested in like going to Hong Kong and just, you know, checking out some travel vlogs and stuff, I actually made a video right here. So I started a new channel just for the shits and giggles, and I hope you guys check it out. All right, see you later.